Hey you guys, okay. I received a package today from Argramony, and here it is. I've already opened it, and when I did, some of the glitter was all come open, and it was everywhere. So it was just one, I think one container. So I'm gonna show you guys what she sent. Look guys, oh my goodness, I am on cloud 9. This will help me so much, taking and doing this, my paper stuff, and this will kind of help me out with the measurements and stuff on my my vinyl. It's got glitter all over it, but you guys kind of see. It's okay. I'll clean the glitter off. And she sent me some little texture things, so that way, because she sent me some clay. I'm gonna give all the clay and to my son, because he does a lot of this stuff, and I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that's in here. I think this is some that she did in here, or some of the molds you can do that she made, but that is so cute. Thank you so much. And she sent some of the clay, and here's some more clay in here. And my son that has my grandbabies, he works with clay, and he will love it. Here is some more clay and some more little template things in here. I think that's what it is. It's a silk screen. Okay. See, I'll have to read up on this and see how to do this. So I did get some stuff in here, guys, that I can use. And she sent me plenty of this little lace. I got plenty of that. I've got some projects that I've got to do, so that's going to help me out a lot. Here's some more of the little texture, little trays. Here's some wire and some more lace. And here is some tape, floral wire tape. We got some floral wire, and I'll have to read up on this mold putty. So we have some of that, and there's all kind of glitter, guys. I'm not gonna take all this out because there's glitter everywhere, but I have bells. Girl, this shipment, they were bad. And I have some Mod Podge. They were really bad on the package. And here's some more lace. And if I'm shiny, I'm sorry. Okay. I need to empty this box and get all the glitter out, but I want to show you guys that it was a neon yellow glitter that busted open, but we got plenty of glitter, more glitter, and here's some more lace, but this is everything I got, guys. And let's see, jewelry embellishments of miscellaneous items. So I got some embellishments. Hey, look, guys, there is a dog in here. She made some little hearts. There is an eyeball. She made an eyeball one. All that is in here. And you guys, is gorgeous. Really pretty stuff in here. Alright. I want to tell her thank you, thank you, thank you. And your money will be in the mail tomorrow. I have to go to town tomorrow. So I will get that out to you. And I'll send it to the address that's on the box. Just letting you know. Because I tried calling you and I guess you were busy. I didn't get an answer. So I took and left you a voice message, girl. But you guys know Argramony. She is been on our channel for a very long time. Awesome supporter. Yeah, I get glitter everywhere. But the clay and stuff, I'm going to give to my son because he loves the clay. And you will be seeing me, guys, using this on some DIYs that I have. So I want to thank you, thank you, thank you for this package. And I really appreciate it. Alright, guys, I'm going to come back and do another video for you guys and show y'all what's in the watering system. Alright, guys, love you. God bless. Thank you, Argramony.